Hello everyone, chapter 5, major domains of the earth. We have already discussed about the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, and already also discussed about the continent of the earth on the earth. Then now today we discuss about oceans. So there are the 5 oceans on our earth. One by one we will talk all oceans. So ocean is a part of hydrosphere. The earth is called the blue planet because the 71% of earth is covered by water and the rest 29% covered by is with the land. The running water in ocean, sea, river, lake, ice of in glacier and underground water, water vapor, all water vapor in the atmosphere, all are the comprise the hydrosphere. And through this pie chart, you can understand then the availability of the fresh water. That is why the whole world is behind to water, the fresh water. It is right, the 71% our earth is covered by water, but the quantity, the amount of fresh water is very less. It is only 2.5%. Fine, everyone. So the large proportion, the rest of the water is the form of ice sheet, glacier, and underground water, which is very small amount or percentage available in a form of fresh water for human use. That is on Earth, it is only 2.5%. Now let's talk about the oceans. So through this, you can understand the importance of fresh water in our life. So we should conserve the fresh water, each drop of fresh water. And only because of our earth is 71% covered by water. So our earth is called blue planet. But still we face a shortage of water because the fresh water, the quantity is very less, 2.5%. Now let's talk about the ocean, the major part of the hydrosphere. The all oceans are interconnected with each other. Ocean water always moving. The three chief, everyone please underline the three chief movement of ocean water. These are waves, tides and ocean currents. In the 5 major oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as a merged ocean because the extension of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean merge in one ocean, that is Southern Ocean, the 5th ocean. It is around the in Antarctica continent. So let's talk about the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, among all 5, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It is spread over 1/3 of the earth. The deepest part of the earth, that is Mariana Trench, lies in the Pacific Ocean, about 11,000 below the sea level. It is. The Pacific Ocean is almost in circular in shape. So yes, you can see on the world map the Pacific Ocean both sides because our earth in a geotrip. So it is the Pacific Ocean in circular shape. The deepest point on the earth is in the Pacific Ocean, that is a Mariana Trench, 11,000 meters below the sea level. All around the Pacific lie the large number of volcanoes which erupt from time to time. So this belt is therefore called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Thousands of islands situated in this ocean are mostly of volcanic origin. So now the next one is the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see, the shape of this ocean. So you can see it is an S-shaped ocean. S-shaped ocean, and it is the busiest ocean among all four, sorry. It lies between the four major continents: Africa, Europe, North America, and South America. The Africa, Europe on the east, and to America on the west side. You can see Europe and Africa from east side, Europe and America on its east side, ocean's east side, and ocean's west side is North America and South America. And how we can say that is a busiest ocean, because it is surrounded by four continents, so which make it very important for travel and trade. The Europe and Africa landmass and the two America were joined and later broke away. This line from which this happened is called Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Here, Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Third ocean, the Indian Ocean, only ocean named after the country. That which country name is, that is India. The shape of the ocean is almost triangular. In the north, it is bound by Asia, in the west by Africa, and in the east by Australia. Let's understand this through map. Here is the Indian Ocean. You can see the shape of Indian Ocean. It is in triangular color. Now from its north side bounded by Asia, from its west side Africa, and east side Australia. And this ocean name on which country? The name India. It is only ocean which name is on the country name. Fine. Now come to the next ocean is Southern Ocean. As you can see, the Southern Ocean is surrounded so Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after the country, that is India. The shape of the ocean is almost triangular. In the north, it is bounded by Asia, in the west, Africa, and in the east, Australia. Now, Southern Ocean encircles the continent Antarctica and extend toward the 60° and south latitude. It is also known as the called Antarctica and Southern Ocean because the fifth ocean has extension of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Okay. Now, last one is the Arctic Ocean. It's located within the Arctic Circle and surround the North Pole. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by the narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. It is bound by the northern coast and Northern America and Eurasia. On map, you can see Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean in the world. It is spread around the North Pole, bordering the Europe, Asia. Look at here, Europe, Asia, and North America. Europe, Asia, and North America. During winter, this ocean is totally frozen, but during summer, the ice melt frozen, but during summer, the ice melts and the form large flat floating island and iceberg. The Arctic Ocean is connected to the both Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. From here, you can see the Arctic Ocean connect with Atlantic Ocean, and from here, it from Pacific Ocean.